You know that feeling, the one where your heart is pounding, you're staring at the chart and you just know you're right. You see the perfect setup, you enter the trade, and then the market immediately, almost personally, goes in the exact opposite direction. You feel that pit in your stomach as your stop loss gets hit. For over a year, that feeling was my reality. I wasn't just losing money, I was losing my mind. I was convinced the market was rigged against me personally. If any of this sounds even remotely familiar, then don't go anywhere, because I'm about to pull back the curtain and show you the exact roadmap that took me from that dark place to consistent profitability. I blamed everything. My broker, the whales, the indicators, the news, everything except the real problem. The problem was sitting right here, in this chair. It was me. My strategy was fine. I could read charts. I understood support and resistance. But my psychology? It was a disaster. I was revenge trading after a loss. I was getting greedy after a win and giving it all back. I was so terrified of missing out that I'd jump into trades that didn't even meet my own rules. I was running a circus, not a trading business, and my bank account was the proof. The big shift didn't come from a new secret indicator. It came when I hit rock bottom and finally admitted, I can't control the market, but I can 100% control myself. So I stopped focusing on the charts and started focusing on my brain. I decided to build a system not for the market, but for me. A system designed to protect me from my own worst impulses. It was about creating rules so rigid that my emotions couldn't break them. By the way, if this is resonating with you, take a quick second to hit the like and subscribe buttons. It helps more traders find our community and ensures you won't miss what's coming next. Step 1. The non-negotiable checklist. I wrote down my A+ setup on one index card. 4 conditions, that's it. If a trade didn't meet all 4 conditions, I was physically not allowed to click the button. No almosts, no what ifs. If it's not a 100% match, it's a 100% pass. This killed my impulsive trades overnight. Step 2. The 2-sentence journal. After every trade, I wrote down the answers to 2 questions. 1. Why did I enter this trade? 2. How did I feel during and after it? This wasn't about the strategy. It was about my emotions. I quickly saw a pattern. My worst losses always came after trades where I felt bored or angry. This journal was like holding up a mirror to my bad habits. Step 3. The weekly performance review. Every Sunday for 30 minutes, I would review my journal, not my charts. I was not looking at profits or losses. I was grading myself on how well I followed my checklist. Did I follow the rules? If yes, it was a successful week, even if I lost money. This retrained my brain to focus on the process, not the outcome. That's it. That's the roadmap. It's not a magic formula. It's a boring, disciplined, business-like approach that turned my trading around. I stopped being a gambler looking for a jackpot and became an operator executing a plan. The real secret to trading isn't in the charts, it's in your mind. Master yourself, and you'll stand a chance at mastering the market. Thanks for sticking with me. In the comments below, tell me which one of these 3 steps you're going to implement first. I'd love to hear from you. Trade with your head, not over it. I'll see you in the next video.